In this quick video, we will see how to create a user snippets on Visual Studio Code. Snippets are nothing but the templates which makes it easier to enter repeating code patterns such as loops and conditional statements. So in order to have custom user snippets on VSCode, you should go to the code, preferences, user snippets, and you select the type of file that you want your snippet to be activated on. Let me do it for HTML, which will create a sample HTML file. So this is my previous code that I already here, but let me quickly remove it so that I'll show you from starting. The syntax looks similar to this, which will have the description of what your snippet is going to do, and the prefix is basically the command you will give for the snippet to appear in your file, and the body is the actual snippet, and description is similar to like what it does. Go here and I'm creating an HTML default template. So we'll give the prefix as HTML. So when you type HTML, it will show up the whole snippet. The body, takes array of parameters. Each parameter can be like line, each individual line. If it say like and that's it. You just created a HTML snippet to have a default HTML. So if you go to the HTML file and try to type HTML, see, it shows the description, default HTML template, and it shows the HTML template that's gonna be there. So now you have the HTML template, but you see the alignment is a little weird, so we'll go ahead and fix it. So you need to be having a tab. So T and escape T. So when I create HTML, see how the alignment works here, and you don't want your cursor to be here, it should be in between the body. So you can add one more parameter here, $1, which is like taking the parameter. There you go. So you can start doing whatever you want here. So VSCode also provides some default snippets. So if you want to create the same content using VSCode snippets, you have to do something like this. So HTML dot div, body and div. So it's the same thing, but it's not always too easy to use the VS Code default snippets. So you can customize by creating the snippets like this. Let us see one more snippet for JavaScript file. So I'll go here, code, preferences, user snippets, and JavaScript. So let's create a JavaScript snippet for loop, for each loop, whatever you call. So similar to that, you'll have a prefix, you'll have a body, which is the actual snippet, and the description of the snippet. So let us say this is for loop. So when you type for, it should be coming up. So in the body, we'll pass array of parameters. So for const the description would be a for loop. That's it. So let me create a dummy JavaScript file. So as soon as I type for, see, it shows the first for loop snippet. Hola. So the arguments I gave here are, it will take array as a first argument and the element as the second argument. So this is what it shows. So the snippet comes very handy when you have like a repeated code in your project and you want to have a hotkey. It's like a hotkey. Snippets are like a hotkey. When you type the key, it will display the default code. It comes handy when you are mocking data in JSON or something like that. So you can also create the snippets for the whole HTML based on the language or for per project. So if you go to the code preferences and use the snippets, you'll see you can select a language that you want to write a snippet for, or you can create a global snippet file just for your project. So when you go to a new project, you can change that snippet file according to the requirements.